G'day blokes and blokettes. Today we have a Kia Rio, stock reference number 5918. This shape ran from the 8th of 2005 to the 7th of 2011. It is a G4 EE 4-cylinder 1.4 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. And don't you know, I already forgot that this is Total Parts Plus if you hadn't already realised. Here we have our G4 EE 4-cylinder 1.4 litre petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front wheel, steel, 14-inch rim, good tyre, left front guard, 1 dent, good private, left front door, 2 dents, left rear door, 2 dents, good private, left rear wheel, steel, 14-inch rim, good tyre, left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear door, 2 dents, good private. Right front door, 1 dent. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, 1 dent, good private. Right front wheel, steel, 14-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlamp. Bonnet, 2 dents. Insurance. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Gear stick, heat AC controls, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel,